Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a death wobble on a Jeep Wrangler. First, let's start with some essential initial checks. Begin by verifying your tire pressure. Incorrect inflation can be a major contributor. Next, carefully inspect your steering stabilizer for any leaks or visible damage. Also, pay close attention to your track bar and its mounting points, ensuring they are tight. Finally, check for any play in your ball joints and tie rod ends. Moving on, let's dive deeper into your Jeep's steering components. It's crucial to confirm that your drag link and tie rod are securely fastened and free from play. Next, check for any looseness in the steering gearbox and the pitman arm. Don't forget to inspect your control arm bushings for signs of wear or cracking. Lastly, make sure all suspension bolts are torqued to their correct factory specifications. Now, let's address potential fixes related to your suspension and alignment. If you found worn bushings, replacing them is a key step. You might also consider upgrading to a heavy-duty steering stabilizer for improved control. A professional alignment is often necessary to correct geometry issues. Additionally, ensure all 4 of your wheels are properly balanced to prevent vibrations that can trigger a wobble. For more advanced troubleshooting and prevention, consider these steps. Carefully inspect your Jeep's frame for any subtle cracks or bending that could contribute to the issue. Upgrading to adjustable control arms can significantly improve your suspension geometry. Remember to regularly check all front-end components for any signs of wear or looseness. Finally, driving cautiously and avoiding large potholes will help prevent future death wobbles.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.